The Interruption Series is a body of abstract work about the moments when silence is broken, when something inside refuses to stay hidden, and when a mark becomes evident survival. These paintings are not about disruption for the sake of drama. They are about the deeper kind of interruption, the moment when memory rises, when emotion cuts through the quiet surface of a life, reveals what has been carried underneath. Each painting holds that tension between stillness and disturbance, softness and force, beauty and what had to be confronted. I built these works in layers because that is how life reveals itself to me. Marks are made covered, scraped back, soft and interrupted, and allowed to remain, and allowed to remain. Some areas feel quiet and restrained, while others break through with a stronger presence, as if the painting itself is saying, I am still here. For me, interruption is not always negative. Sometimes it is the soul trying to speak. Sometimes it is the soul trying to speak. Sometimes it is God redirecting the path. Sometimes it is the hidden part of us asking to be seen. These paintings carry that spiritual, emotional conversation between what was buried and what finally finds a way to surface. The series speaks to the experience of being overlooked, silenced, or almost erased, and then returning with a stronger, quieter kind, confidence. The marks become a form of voice, the texture becomes memory, the open space becomes breath. The disruption meaningful has happened here. The Interruption Series, ultimately by refusing to disappear, is about the beauty that remains after tension, the strength that forms after silence, and the deeply human desire to be seen. Not loudly, but truthfully.